Right, now. Okay. Now, I'm going to turn the circuit board upside down. Okay. Now watch. First thing I do, where's the solder gone?
There.
Okay. I've cleaned the tip of the circuit board. Sorry, I've cleaned the tip of the soldering iron. Okay. Now, you see the flat part of the soldering iron tip? You place that up against the side of the wire. Just watch. You can do it in a second. Right, now, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to use the soldering iron to heat up the wire and the copper track. So I'll leave it there for a few seconds. Okay? I'm trying to get heat into the wire and the copper track. Now I'm going to feed in the solder and wait for that to melt. Okay? Now, if the copper track isn't hot enough, the solder won't stick to it. But if it is, it will stick to it. Now just look, that's not the best soldering in the world, but you want like a little volcano of solder. Okay? Now the solder works like instant glue for the electronic components. Okay, so I've got that. I'm not quite happy with that one, but anyway, we'll give it a try. Okay, that's a little bit better. When I've done that one, I'll do this one. The solder sticks better when the copper is clean. That's why you've cleaned it. Okay, now I've soldered both components. Alright? Now, the next thing that I do is I take the side cutters, that's these, and I trim that off. Alright? And then I turn it back over and that's in the right place. Okay?